Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about Randint. So let's dive in. First of all, I will import random library. Winner is winner is a variable, and I will use random library random and dot is a method in the random library Randint, and then open braces 0 to 9. Now I make random number between 0 to 9 in integer, so print winner, and then Python 6 5 5 3 1 2 4 5. Okay, 4. This is okay. I will make something. Num is equal integer input enter number. I will write enter number 9 to 0 to 9. Okay, if num is equal winner, print you win, and then print if the random number is winner. And then else I will print another things like print you lost, you lose, print this code. Okay, the winner is okay. Now okay, I will delete this code to try. So number 1, you lose, the number is 0. Okay, 0, you lose, number is 4. Okay, 4, you lose, 3, 4, you lose. Okay, 4, you lose, 4, you lose. I will okay. Now print 1. Okay, you win, the random number is 1, and then I will say goodbye.